everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jen with Home Una's Plans, and I am back with another memory spread. For this week, I'll be using this stunning kit called Summer Sorbet from Craftsbythaowie. I believe it was actually named by Planner Bell XO on Instagram. Her name is Francesca. She's awesome, and it could not have been named more perfectly. It's in gold foil, and it's technically my very first summer kit for this season, and I'm very excited about it. So without any further ado, I'm going to speed you guys up, lay down the base of the spread, and then get back to you with the day today. Okay, so starting off on Monday, I am just marking that I had a Zoom class. Me and my sister revamped our fitness business schedule and everything, and revamped like when Zoom classes were going to be. So I now have Zoom classes. Oh gosh, let's see. 1, 2, 3. I'm looking at my planner right now. I have Zoom classes like 3 days out of the week. So very excited about that. It's a new thing that we're starting. So yeah, anyways, to mark that, I pulled in this extra box that I had left over from a Sadie's stickers kit. It's this little square box. And I felt like the colors matched this kit pretty perfectly. So I pulled that in. I pulled in a mini dot banner from Honey Inked up in the corner and some mini floral deco as well, both from Honey Inked. The florals that I added to the corner are from the kit along with the shoe, and then the custom Zoom class script is one that my mom made for me. Jumping down, I wanted to mark that I did some editing on my Plan With Me that I had go live last week. That was my anniversary Plan With Me, and I had to catch my husband so we could do the voiceover together, so that's why I didn't go up last Monday. So it gave me some extra time to do some final edits because I did do a different style of opener for that. I wanted to make it kind of special. It was clips from our wedding video, and it was a lot of fun putting that together. But anyways, to mark that, I pull in a third box from the kit. The icon is from Craftsbythaowie. The edit script is from Planning Roses. I did a technique that I saw Rachel do in one of her latest Plan With Me's. She said she got the inspiration from Moshe or Lauren of Play Moshe Plans. So I'm just going to attribute this little technique to both of them. Thank you, ladies. But I cut some florals from the kit and I layered it at the bottom, kind of like, you know, as like a divider, and then I added a Sadie Stickers dot divider to cover the cut lines. So I really liked the way that that looked. I'm definitely going to incorporate it into more spreads. The next thing I wanted to mark is that I went to the gym, so I pulled in one of the layering circles from the kit. Those dumbbells are from Rose and Tea Shop, and the custom script is one that my mom made for me. Then I wanted to mark that I had kind of like a self-care night. So I pull in a quarter box from the kit, some florals from the kit as well. And that little face oil bottle is actually from the Sweet Planner. I thought it was just too cute not to use. Then to cap off the night, me and my husband have been watching tons of Ghost Adventures on Amazon Prime. So I pulled in a frame box from Bloom Paper Studio, some more florals, some mini deco from Honey Inked, and that chair and popcorn is an icon from the kit. Jumping over to Tuesday, I wanted to mark that my anniversary Plan With Me went live. So I pull in a colored MIDI box from Sadie Stickers. I haven't actually, so I've filmed a haul where I haul these, but I haven't published it yet. But I loved this box so much, and again, I felt like the colors matched perfectly, so I had to pull in some florals. That's actually some florals from a Sweet Planner deco sheet. I did pull in a Sweet Planner deco sheet to kind of fill in, because I didn't have 2 floral deco sheets for this kit. I know what's wrong with me. But I did have some florals from the Sweet Planner that I felt matched pretty perfectly. I added some Honey Inked deco onto the florals to give it some foiled goodness, and the planner is from the kit. I wanted to mark that we slept in on this day, so I pull in another third box, some more foiled florals from Honey Inked, and that sleep mask is from the Sweet Planner. Jumping down, I wanted to mark that this was $2 Tuesday, and I marked that using the little calendar icon that comes with the kit, some more florals, some banners from Sadie Stickers, and the sticker sheets are from Craftsbythaowie. Then I wanted to mark that I went to the gym, so I pulled in another layering scallop from the kit. Those dumbbells are once again from Rose and Tea Shop, and the script is one that my mom made for me. And then to cap off the night, I just had a YouTube binge, so I pull in another quarter box. I do that same technique with the florals and the divider, and the icon is from Craftsbythaowie. Jumping over to Wednesday, I wanted to mark that I went over to my parents' house and hung out with my mom while she did some designing for, so she makes kits for me and my functional planner. So I went over there to go and help her design some summer kits for my functional planner, because I'm starting a new planner in July. I'm really excited about that. So I pull in one of the fancier floral boxes from the kit. The house is from the GP Studio, the flourish is from Craftsbythaowie, and the mini deco is from Honey Inked. Then jumping down, I wanted to mark that I did some studying on this day, and I really liked the way that I marked this. I just pulled in some florals from the kit, and I love this pen icon that you get with Craftsbythaowie kits. So I just layered that over top of the florals, and then I used the study script that my mom made for me over top of that. And I don't know, I really liked the way that that looked. The next thing that I wanted to mark is that I did my nails on this day. So I pull in another third box from the kit, another dot banner from Honey Inked, some florals, and then of course the nail polish bottle that comes with the kit as well. I just love this colorway right there. I'm marking the gym the exact same way. I mark the gym the exact same way all week, with a layering, either hexagon, scallop, or circle, the dumbbells from Rose and Tea Shop, and the custom script that my mom made for me. I wanted to mark that I filmed my April monthly rewind. I'm kind of getting behind on my monthly Plan With Me's. I don't know, I think I love filming them. It's just like, it's so many days that I have to remember and so many different things. But anyways, I wanted to mark that I filmed that. So I pull in another box from Bloom Paper Studio, some more florals from the kit. The little camera is from White Deer Stationery. The film script is from Planning Roses. And then to cap off the night, I just had another YouTube binge. So I pull in another layering circle, and then the icon from Craftsbythaowie. Jumping over to Thursday, I'm marking my Zoom class the same way that I marked it on Monday. I had another one of those smaller square boxes from a leftover Sadie Stickers kit. The dot banner and mini deco is from Honey Inked. The florals, those particular florals are from the Sweet Planner. The shoe is from Craftsbythaowie, and the custom script is one that my mom made for me. I wanted to mark that I did some more studying on this day, so I pull in another third box, some florals from the kit, and that divider is from Sadie Stickers, and then the laptop is just one that came with the kit as well. Mark going to the gym the exact same way with a layering circle, the dumbbells from Rose and Tea Shop, and the gym script that my mom made for me. And then on this night, I wanted to mark that I had like another kind of self-care bath type of a night. So I pull in another frame box from Bloom Paper Studio, some more florals from the kit, and then I use a lot of Craftsbythaowie icons. Obviously I'm using her kit and I just feel like her icons pair very well with her kits. I mean, duh. So I pull in a lot of Craftsbythaowie icons. But yeah, that bath icon is from Craftsbythaowie. And then me and my husband just watched a show together, so I pull in a quarter box from the kit, and then the TV console is from Craftsbythaowie. Okay, so jumping over to Friday, this was a really fun day. To start off, me, my husband, and a small group of our friends went and had a pool day, which was really nice. It has been so insanely hot over here. Like, the heat index has been insane, but the humidity has been like, so it's been like 98, 99 degrees, but because of the humidity, it feels like it's like 104. It's so bad. It's so bad. So we went to the pool on this day. So I pull in one of those paint swatch boxes from Miss and Meow. That little swimsuit is from White Deer Stationery. And then I just pulled in the florals from the Sweet Planner, and then the divider from Sadie Stickers. I wanted to mark that we went out to eat after we went to the pool. We went to this it's like a seafood crawfish place called Big E's here in where we live. So I pull in another one of those floral frame boxes from the kit, and that little table is from Rose and Tea Shop. I think it's so stinking cute. So jumping down, I wanted to mark that I completely crashed on my couch. I don't know what it is, but like being out in the sun and in the pool, it's just like it wears you out, especially that sun. So I completely just crashed on our couch. So to mark that, I pulled in another midi box from Sadie Stickers, some more florals from the Sweet Planner, and that little couch icon is from Craftsbythaowie. I also wanted to mark that I got some kitty snuggles from my baby. So I pull in another layering circle from the kit, and the little paw print is from Craftsbythaowie. Then I wanted to mark that I filmed a sticker haul on this night. So I pull in a leftover third box from a Sadie Stickers kit, some more florals from, I believe that's from the Sweet Planner, and then the little envelope with the sticker sheets inside of it is an icon that came with the kit. And yeah, I love that I had these leftover third boxes from Sadie Stickers, just because I love that Craftsbythaowie has started adding more third boxes, but I love third boxes much more than I love half boxes, so I tend to use a bunch. So I'm really glad that I had some leftovers from Sadie Stickers that matched this kit pretty perfectly. Okay, jumping over to Saturday, I wanted to mark that I went to the gym. So I pull in another layering scallop from the kit, the dumbbells from Rose and Tea Shop. And the gym script is one that my mom made for me. Then I wanted to mark that I got ready because on this day my husband had another show, so I wanted to mark that I got ready for that by pulling in that's actually a label from a leftover Sadie Stickers kit, some more florals from the Sweet Planner, and the divider from Sadie Stickers, along with some mini deco from Honey Inked. The getting ready makeup icon is from Craftsbythaowie. Then I wanted to mark that my husband had his concert. His band's name is Submit Thy Will. So to mark that, I pull in a half box from the kit. I pulled in the one that had like the garlands already on it because I just thought that one was really pretty. The microphone is from Planning World. I did pull in one of those little swoop dividers from Sadie Stickers. I added those to the headers on the kit, on the blank headers in this kit as well. And then the custom Submit Thy Will script is one that my mom made. After the concert, the band, and as we went out to IHOP, it's becoming kind of a tradition. After their shows, we go to IHOP. So to mark that, I pull in a page flag from the kit, and the utensils icon is from Rose and Tea Shop. Then me, my husband, and his guitar player came to our apartment and just binge watched some TV. So I pull in another layering hexagon, and that little popcorn and couch icon is from Craftsbythaowie. Jumping over to Sunday, this was Father's Day, so I wanted to mark that pretty special with the large floral fancy box with the kit, those streamers from Sadie Stickers, and then the script is from Rose Colored Days. We slept in on this day because, like I said, my husband had his show the night before, and we didn't get home until like super duper late, so we completely slept in on this day. So I pull in a quarter box from the kit, some florals, the sleep mask is from the Sweet Planner, and the dot banner is from Honey Inked. I had a Plan With Me binge because Lauren of Plan Mosh Plan uploaded, JC of the Virgo Plans uploaded. They did a collab. It was awesome. Also Tay from Shantae Plans uploaded. So some of my faves uploaded. So I just did a huge Plan With Me binge. I pull in another frame box from Bloom Paper Studio, some florals from the Sweet Planner, and the YouTube icon is from Craftsbythaowie. I wanted to mark that I cooked dinner. I made a goulash, an American version of goulash. So to mark that, I pull in a half box from the kit, some more florals from the Sweet Planner, and the utensils icon is from Rose and Tea Shop. And then to cap off the night, I filmed this Plan With Me. Normally I like to film earlier throughout the week, but I don't know, my week got like away from me or whatever, so I had to film it all on Sunday. So hopefully I get it up on Monday. Cross fingers. But to mark that, I pull in a scallop circle from Megby Makes. The camera is from Craftsbythaowie, and the film script is from Planning Roses. Here is the leftovers that I have from this kit, along with a Viv Wiggle. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope everybody is staying safe and staying well and staying cool because it is ridiculously hot. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I will see y'all in the next one. Bye!